Are you a female entrepreneur that's looking to grow your personal brand in 2023 and you would love to use artificial intelligence like ChatGPT to help your brand explode? Because in today's video, we're going to go over the top 5 ways that you as a female entrepreneur can use ChatGPT to grow your personal brand in 2023. Okay, so this is ChatGPT. When you log in, this is what it looks like. To get here, you just need to go to chat.openai.com and create a ChatGPT account. It is free at the moment, so make sure that you take advantage of this while it is free, because eventually I can imagine it's going to be paid because they're getting millions and millions of users and it is very, very popular. So this is what it looks like when you log in. Basically, you can start a new chat for each idea that you want to create or each way that you want to start building your personal brand using ChatGPT. You can open a new tab or a new idea, a new chat for each thing that you want to do. So the first way that you can really grow your personal brand using ChatGPT is to create viral TikTok video ideas. So if we come over here, we don't need to click new chat because there's already a chat open. But if we come down here and we can write create 10 viral TikTok video ideas for a female entrepreneur in Australia that wants to launch a e-commerce clothing brand. Okay, beautiful. And then you hit this button here. So as you can see on the screen, it is now creating 10 viral TikTok video ideas for you to be able to use if you were a female entrepreneur that wanted to launch an e-commerce clothing brand in Australia. And they're really good as well, like unboxing video where the entrepreneur unveils the latest clothing ideas for her brand and models from the viewers, behind the scenes video showing the process of creating and manufacturing the clothing, try on haul video where the entrepreneur tries on and gives her thoughts on various items from the new clothing brand. So as you can see, they're actually really good video ideas. ChatGPT has so much information that has been put into it. The ideas that it spits out are really relevant, they're really up to date, and they're based on so much data and analytics on what is already working online versus what is not working online. So it's a really, really great way to launch your TikTok and start to go viral on TikTok, because as we all know, TikTok is the in platform at the moment. It's the most popular platform that everyone's moving across to. And so ChatGPT is a really great way for you to be able to go viral on TikTok. The second way that you can really start to grow your personal brand as a female entrepreneur in 2023 using ChatGPT is to create YouTube SEO titles, tags, and descriptions so that you can make YouTube videos like this. Because before ChatGPT, it took me hours and hours to be able to do all the SEO research and come up with the concepts and ideas for the YouTube titles and tags and descriptions. And now ChatGPT just literally does it for me in seconds. So this is how we can get ChatGPT to create YouTube video ideas for us. We'll use the same example here of the female entrepreneur that's trying to launch her e-commerce clothing brand. So we can say create 5 YouTube SEO titles for videos about launching an e-commerce clothing brand for female entrepreneurs. And then it's always good to put in there something about the competition of the videos, because basically we don't want ChatGPT to give you video SEO titles that have like millions and millions of other videos about those specific keywords. So make sure that the videos don't have more than 200,000 other videos about those topics. Okay, and it should get going. It's always best to get it to do the titles first before we do the tags and descriptions, because we want to make sure that we like the titles before we go ahead and do the tags and descriptions. So yeah, these all look pretty good. I reckon they look good. Okay, cool. So next steps, then we go, I always say thanks. Now can you please create the YouTube tags and video description for all 5 titles. And as you can see, it literally starts writing them all out. Now you can see here, it's only done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tags. Yeah, it's only done 5 tags. The descriptions are looking pretty good. So for the tags, what we can do, once it's finished making all of these ideas, we can basically just say to the AI, please make 10 tags for each video instead of 5. And it will literally be able to do that, which is so cool. Please make 10 tags for each video idea, not 5. And as you can see, it is literally just starting to type out all of the ideas that you would potentially need for your tags on your YouTube videos. It's already given us the description. So that is the second way that you can use ChatGPT to be able to grow your personal brand in 2023. The third way that you will be able to use ChatGPT to be able to grow your personal brand in 2023, if you're a female entrepreneur that wants to start putting your stuff out there and building a brand, is to write sales page copy. So anytime that you want to sell something online, you obviously need to create a sales page or a landing page that has all of the information about that product or that service or whatever it is that you're offering. Even if it's a freebie, you're still going to need a sales page for that. So we can use ChatGPT to be able to write the copy on that page. Let me show you an example. Okay, so for us to write sales page copy, I'm going to go ahead and open a new chat, just because the last one was sort of like TikTok, YouTube ideas, but this one's sales page, which is very different to video content. So I'll open a new chat and basically we can just say, write the sales. You can even put things in there like our target audience is female, young females. Break it into 5 different sections. And as you can see here, it is literally writing sales page copy to introduce our new clothing brand. It's gone a bit too logical with our headings here. So we want to make make things more interesting and less logical. I wonder if it will understand that. Let's see. Oh, see, look at that. Those are good sales page headlines, and that's great copy. So as you can see, perfect way to get inspiration for you to write your sales page copy, or literally just copy and paste this exact sales page copy and use these exact headlines. You don't necessarily have to use exactly every single word that it gives to you. You can obviously make changes to it, but it's a great place to start if you're not sure what to write. The fourth way that you can use ChatGPT to really start to elevate your personal brand in 2023 is to use it to make email sequences to follow up with your clients. So this might be after they've downloaded a freebie. It might be after they have purchased a product from you and you want to keep them in that buying mindset over the next couple of weeks to try and purchase more products from you. Whatever it is, you can use it to create really great email sequences, which I will show you now. Okay, so I've clicked new chat here. We're going to write some email sequences. So write an after purchase email sequence with 5 emails thanking our client for buying our good friend clothing or sunglasses, something along those lines. Let's just see what it does. Okay, so the first email, thank you for choosing eco-friendly clothing. Amazing. See, so good, and it does it so quickly, and it's just going to go ahead and write these out. But it even puts 3 days after purchase. So easy. Oh, it's created a code for them to use. That's a great idea. 20% off your next purchase on swimwear. So as you can see, it's super easy to use. You just need to give it really clear instructions like it's a human. Pretend that it's a human or an employee that you're telling exactly what to do. So the more clear you can be with the instructions that you give to ChatGPT, the better result you're going to get. And if you have to maybe put the first initial instruction in and then give it a couple of revisions, or say make it funnier or make it more professional, you can do that as well, because it literally will go through, rewrite everything and change the tone of voice for whatever it has written for you. So up to our last email now, which is really cool. There you go. It even created a new product for us. Eco-friendly, sustainable clothing care package. That's amazing. So yeah, as you can see, super easy to be able to create email sequences with ChatGPT. And the fifth and final way that you can start to grow your personal brand using ChatGPT in 2023 is to use it to actually create your business plan. If you're not quite sure what strategies to implement or what to do first, you can literally get ChatGPT to write a business plan for you. So we head back over to ChatGPT and we type down here, write me a business plan for my eco-friendly new clothing brand to first launch us to the Australian market and then launch globally. I have a marketing budget of $5,000 that I can allocate towards this, so we can include some paid advertising in the business plan. Okay, let's see what it comes up with. Beautiful. Okay, so it started with an executive summary, which is perfect because that's exactly what we need. Next, it's moving into the business description, talking all about our ethical clothing brand that we're going to be launching. It's now on to marketing strategies, which is so cool. So firstly, we're going to be starting with organic marketing. Next, paid advertising. Then we're going to be doing pop-up stores. And then we're going to be also doing the e-commerce site, which will be taking us more global. It's got the operations section next, where it talks about suppliers, manufacturers, logistics, and then it's got financial projections. Nice. It's projected to do pretty good, this new company. Approximately $50,000 will be needed for the initial investment of the inventory, website, and marketing expenses. And then it projects that we will break even in the first year, and it anticipates a 20% growth rate in the second year. Ooh, pretty good. And then it finishes up with this conclusion. So yeah, that is the final way that you can use ChatGPT to start to grow your personal brand in 2023. It's a really fantastic way to be able to give you some great inspiration for what to write, or literally you could just copy and paste in there what ChatGPT has written for you. So if you have any questions about ChatGPT, please make sure to pop them in the comments below or shoot me an email, hello@levelupoutsourcing.com, and I will be able to help you out. If you love this video, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell so that we can stay connected. And until the next video, I will see you later. Bye.